Dear students, I hope you have already completed the chapter that I read in the previous class. However, if you have any kind of problem about this chapter, send it to WhatsApp group or call me. I will try my best to solve your problems. In mathematics, we say that if you practice more and more, then obviously you will be able to solve a large number of problems. Hence, sometimes I define mathematics is nothing but practice. Now I am starting the next chapter, that is compound angles. Now, what is a compound angle? A compound angle is the algebraic sum of two or more angles. For example, if A, B, C be any three angles, then A plus B, A minus B, A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C, etc. all are compound angles. Now we have to learn two theorems. Theorem 1. Theorem 1. If A, B and A plus B are positive acute angles, then prove that sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And number 2, cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now look at this figure. Let OX is the initial line. Let the line OX moving in the anti-clockwise direction about O to an angle A and comes to the position OY. Again, it rotates in the same direction to a angle B and comes to the position OZ. Then angle XOZ, this equal to A plus B. Now let a point P on OZ. PM is drawn perpendicular to PQ, is drawn perpendicular to X. PR is drawn perpendicular to OY. RS is drawn perpendicular to OX, and RT is drawn perpendicular to PQ. Proof. Since PTR is a right angle triangle, so angle PRT plus angle TPR, this equal to 90 degree, and angle ORP also a right angle. So angle PRT plus angle ORT, this equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle TPR equal to angle ORT equal to angle YOX. Since ORT and YOX are alternative angle, this is equal to A. So this angle is equal to angle A. Now from the figure POQ is a right angle triangle. So sin A plus B equal to QP by OP. QP is equal to QT plus TP whole divided by OP. QT is equal to SR, that is SR plus TP by OP. This equal to SR by OP plus TP by OP. Again look at the figure. SR is the perpendicular of the triangle ROS and OR is the hypotenuse of the triangle ROS. This is equal to SR by OR into OR by OP, and divide and multiply by the hypotenuse of the triangle ROS. Plus, look at the figure. TP is the base of the triangle PTR about A, and PR is the hypotenuse. So in this case, TP by PR into PR by OP. Now from angle ROS, SR by OR, this equal to sin A. Triangle POR, OR by OP equal to cos B. TP by PR, this equal to cos A. And PR by OP, this equal to sin B. Now cos A plus B equal to OQ by OP. Now OQ is equal to OS minus QS, and QS is equal to TR. So OS minus TR whole divided by OP. Now this equal to OS by OP minus TR by OP. This equal to OS by OR into OR by OP minus TR by PR into PR by OP. This equal to cos A, OR by OP equal to cos B minus TR by PR equal to sin A, and PR by OP equal to sin B. So cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now theorem 2. If A and B are positive acute angles and A greater than B, then prove that sin Number 1, sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And number 2, cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now OX is the initial line. Let the line OX moving in the anti-clockwise direction about O to an angle A and comes to the position OY. Then it rotates in the clockwise direction to an angle B and comes to the position OZ. So angle XOZ equal to A minus B. Let a point P on OZ. PQ is drawn perpendicular to OX. PR is drawn perpendicular to OY. RS is drawn perpendicular to OX, and RT is drawn perpendicular to produced QP. Proof. From the triangle PTR we can write angle PRT plus angle TPR equal to 90 degree, and since angle YRP is also a right angle, so angle YRT plus angle PRT, this equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle TPR equal to angle YRT equal to angle YOX. Since angle YRT and angle YOX are corresponding angle, this is equal to A. This angle is equal to A. Now from the right angle triangle POQ, sin A minus B, sin A minus B equal to QP by OP. QP equal to QT minus PT whole divided by OP. QT is equal to SR minus PT by OP. And this is equal to SR by OP minus PT by OP. This is equal to SR by OR into OR by OP, same as previous case, minus PT by PR into PR by OP. From the figure we can write this equal to sin A, this equal to cos B, minus PT by PR equal to cos A, and PR by OP equal to sin B. Now cos A minus B. Cos A minus B equal to O cube by OP. O cube by OP. O cube is equal to OS plus S cube. This equal to whole divided by OP, OS, and plus S cube is equal to RT. This equal to OS by OP minus plus RT by OP. this equal to OS by OR into OR by AP minus RT by plus RT by PR into PR by AP. From the figure we can write cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now একটা ভুল করে দেখে একটা sin A sin B মুখে বলেছি কিন্তু লেখা হয়ে গেছে cos A sin B, তাহলে এই জায়গাটায় sin A sin B হবে। Now sin A plus B into sin A minus B, this equal to আমরা কি জানি sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, so this is equal to sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. Sin square A fixed, cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square B. And cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A and sin square B fixed. And simplification করলে sin square A minus sin square A sin square B minus sin square A plus sin square A sin square B. Sin square A sin square B eliminate হয়ে যাবে, তো sin square A minus sin square B. This equal to 1 minus cos square A, this equal to 1 minus cos square B, this equal to cos square B minus cos square A. So sin A plus B into sin A minus B, either sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. Again cos A plus B into cos A minus B. We know that cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So multiplying we can get cos square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square B. Cos square A fixed, cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square B, sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A, sin square B fixed. On simplification we get cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A minus sin square B equal to 1 minus cos square B. So this is equal to cos square B minus sin square A. So we get cos A plus B into cos A minus B equal to cos square A minus sin square B, cos square B minus sin square A. Now tan A plus B, tan A plus B equal to sin A plus B by cos A plus B. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is equal to, again divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. Divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. So this is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now tan A minus B, tan A minus B is equal to sin A minus B by cos A minus B. Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. So this is equal to tan A minus tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. Next formula, cot A plus B. Cot A plus B equal to numerator है cos A plus B, denominator है sin A plus B, and cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Divide numerator and denominator by sin A sin B. So this is equal to cos A cos B by sin A sin B equal to cot A cot B. This equal to minus 1. And sin A cos B by sin A sin B equal to cot B plus cos A sin B divided by sin A sin B equal to cot A. Similarly, cot A minus B equal to cos A minus B by sin A minus B. The cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. The sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Again dividing by sin A sin B, we get cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. Now the last formula, tan A plus B plus C. This is equal to A plus B rectangle, C another angle. This is equal to tan A plus B plus tan C divided by 1 minus tan A plus B tan C. This equal to tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan C 1 minus tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B into tan C. This is equal to tan A plus B plus C equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan। চ্যাপ্টারটা এখানেই শেষ হয়ে গেল। তোরা ভিডিওটা দেখে থিওরিটা পড়ে অঙ্ক করার চেষ্টা কর। আমি কয়েকটা প্রবলেম পরের দিন গ্রুপে পাঠিয়ে দেবো।